people who are used to making money out of the intellectual and artistic and creative gifts, those of us fear it most and create the most hysteria about it. And the analogy really is in the 19th century when there were all the hand crafting people, good with their hands, physical jobs, and they had been weaving and making things by hand. And then came the factory systems and took their jobs away, and all their skills kind of became irrelevant because there was this big automated process, the factory industrial system. And they were frightened of it and tried to stop it and sometimes smash the equipment and things like that. And now that same thing is happening to those who aren't necessarily good with their hands, but are, used to being respected for their intellect and creativity.